Compost tea is a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer that is made by steeping compost in water. It's a natural and organic way to provide plants with essential nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. Compost tea offers several benefits for plants, soil, and the overall ecosystem. Compost tea is a natural source of essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients. These nutrients are released in a form that is readily available to plants, promoting healthy growth and development. Compost tea contains a diverse community of beneficial microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and nematodes. These microbes contribute to soil health by breaking down organic matter, improving nutrient availability, and suppressing harmful pathogens. When applied to the soil, compost tea helps improve soil structure and fertility. It enhances soil aggregation, water retention, and aeration, creating a favorable environment for plant root growth and microbial activity. Let's take a look at the steps to make compost tea without an aeration device. Fill a large bucket or container with non-chlorinated water. Let the water sit for a few hours to allow any chlorine to dissipate. Add a sufficient amount of compost to the container. A general guideline is to use a ratio of 1 part compost to 4 parts water. You can adjust this ratio based on the strength of your compost and the desired potency of the tea. Use a stirring stick or shovel to thoroughly mix the compost and water. Ensure that the compost is fully submerged in the water. Allow the compost to steep in the water for at least 24 to 48 hours. During this time, the nutrients and beneficial microorganisms from the compost will leach into the water, creating compost tea. While the compost is steeping, stir the mixture occasionally to help distribute the nutrients and microorganisms throughout the water. Here is how you can use compost tea. Spray the diluted compost tea directly onto the leaves of plants using a sprayer. This method allows plants to absorb nutrients through their foliage. You can also pour the diluted compost tea directly onto the soil around the base of plants. This method delivers nutrients and beneficial microbes directly to the root zone. Apply compost tea during the growing season, preferably in the morning or evening when temperatures are cooler. Avoid applying during the hottest part of the day to prevent burning the plants. Use compost tea as part of your regular fertilization routine. Depending on the needs of your plants, you can apply it every 1 to 4 weeks during the growing season. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.